Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think you should at least do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have another video of unboxing plus an update. The update is for Jacomo Intense for Men. This one came out, one of the latest one anyway. I think it's this year or last year. It's 100 ml, it's EDP, under £30, and the good thing about it is it smells very good. Yes, I really like it. The performance is good as well. It's 6 to 8 hours. If you put it on t-shirt, it goes longer. It's good for going out. Smells very good for formal occasions. This one is almost ageless, I would say. Yeah, it is ageless because it's very appealing. It's quite trendy. It's quite crowd pleaser. Very few people will dislike this. It's very hard to dislike it, basically. So it starts off with citruses, but citruses are not big players at all. And then it goes to the mid after 10-15 minutes, and the mid is dominated by woods, tonka bean, some leathery aspects, some tobacco aspects. There are a few accords in there. I looked at the note breakdown. The note breakdown doesn't make that much sense to me. I'm just going with my nose. It's got some green aspect to it as well, some earthy aspect as well, so it's quite a complex fragrance. It starts up quite simple. Starts up quite, when it opens up you think, okay, this is a generic, I smell this before, but then it develops. That's a good thing about it. Under £30 and it changes. Then when it goes to the dry down, it changes to a little bit of earthiness, a little bit of incensey feel to it. That's a dark incensey. There's an earthy patchouli in there as well, so it gives it a little bit of earthiness and greenness. I think there's a vetiver in here. I can smell some vetiver. The vetiver gives it that, again, earthy and greenness. So overall this is very, very good for under £30. I really liked it and I highly recommend it for people who like this kind of fragrances. So if you like this combination of notes I mentioned, this is very, very good, especially for the price. Okay. What else? It's good for all year round. Doesn't have season, doesn't have age, and no occasions. I think this is completely versatile to the max. You can use it anywhere, any time you like. I wore it to work. 2 people asked me what I'm wearing. And it looks like it's one of those attention grabbers. Okay, so because of that sweetness and the earthy and woody and leathery, tonka bean, tobacco, leafy, green aspects of all these combinations, gives it a very, very appealing smell. And as I said, it's very, very good. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is unboxing of. This is the house or the brand of Police. It's one of my favorite brands. They make very good perfumes for very reasonable prices. And this one is called, this is again the latest one, I think came out either this year or last year. And this one is called Police Potion Power. Police Potion Power. And this one is Eau de Perfume, 100 ml. Okay, sorry about the noise. I like many Police fragrances. Some of them are very good, some of them are okay, but majority of the Police I have, they are very good, especially for the money under £20. That is a bargain. Okay, so the box is nice and simple. It's got the logo and it protects the bottle. That's the main job for the box. The bottle is very cute. Look at that. So it's got this skull, bone and it says police here. The cap is plastic. The atomizer should be good. The atomizer is okay. It's not very good, but it's not bad either. I like this skull and bone. It's some sort of metal or plastic. So I think it's metal. It's very, very cute. Wow. Ooh, filling the room. Okay, so first impression for Police Potion Power. Fresh, aquatic, watery, floral. There's something in there that gives it like a menthol feel to it. I'm not sure if it's a mint, but it's like a menthol, okay? So mentholy, floral, aquatic, and a little bit of woodiness in the background right now. Little bit of sweetness, not much. Again, between 1 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 3 to 4. 4, maybe 5. But smells good. Smells very good. Oh, this is definitely for summer and the heat when it's warmer weather. And it smells very young. I mean, it smells ageless again. But it smells very good. So it's got that minty or mentholy opening. The opening is very fresh, it's very bright, it's very uplifting, it's very happy, okay? And it reminds me of summer basically. It's reminding me of summer, especially the beach. Yeah, it reminds me of beach for some reason. I think it's got something in the background like coconut. It gives it that little bit of a suntan lotion feel to it. Little bit. Right now, in the beginning for the first impression. But it smells very good. It smells good, but again, ageless all year round or summer heat. This is good for summer, this is good for when it's warmer. But I think you can wear it anytime. But overall, it's not a very complex fragrance, quite on the simple side, but for what it does, it smells quite nice, especially for under £20. Yeah, it's quite good. Again, bright, happy, summery, fresh, little bit of greenness, floral, and watery aspect. There's a bit of aquatic to it as well. There's no saltiness in there. No, there's no saltiness, but there is a suntan lotion feel to it, okay? So I'm guessing there's an accord of coconut or something like that to give you that suntan lotion feel. It's a little bit soapy as well. But overall, for first impression, very, very good. Again, ageless. This is quite versatile to the max. For under £20 for such a cute bottle, and the Perfume 100 ml is worth it, yes. But again, in the next video, I will let you know the longevity, the performance, and the changes, and good things like this. Okay, guys, if you know any of this, if you have them, if you've tried them, leave in the comments your experience, then other people can read it. That would be very useful. If you like what I do, if you find them useful, if you find them informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and share it between other people. This way you help me to expand my channel. That would be very nice. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.